Remove the battery enclosure mounting screws. Take off the battery hold-down bracket. Remove the screws securing the light wire clamp. Hold the battery in place and carefully flip the enclosure over. Disconnect the charging cable. Detach the power cable secured with double-sided adhesive, then disconnect the power cable. Remove the battery. Cut the zip ties securing the controller wires. Be careful not to damage any of the wires. Disconnect the motor power cables and the hall sensor cables. Then disconnect the switch cable. Peel off the fabric tape securing the signal wires. Be careful not to pull or strain the wires. Remove the controller mounting screws, then take out the controller. Use a screwdriver or a similar tool to scrape away the silicone around the switch. This will make it easier to remove. Hold the switch in place, then remove the switch nut and take out the switch. Clean the inside of the battery enclosure. Install the new switch. Tighten the nut to the position shown in the video. Making sure the flat edges of the nut are aligned parallel to the edges of the controller. Apply a ring of silicone around the switch, fully covering the nut. Reinstall the controller. Do not fully tighten the screws yet, install all 4 screws first, then tighten them evenly. Do not over-tighten, as this may damage the mounting holes. Reposition the signal wires and secure them with fabric tape. Reconnect the motor wires in a crossed configuration as shown in the video, and reconnect the hall sensor cables. Reconnect the switch cable. Thread a zip tie through the controller mounting hole to secure the motor wires. Secure the hall sensor wires with zip ties as shown in the video. Reconnect the charging cable. Reconnect the power cable and secure it back onto the double-sided adhesive. Reinstall the battery. Fold and arrange the power cable properly, making sure it is not pinched. Thread another zip tie through the controller mounting hole to secure the motor wires. Secure the hall sensor wires and switch cable with zip ties as shown in the video. Carefully trim off any excess zip tie length. Do not damage the wires. Apply an appropriate amount of K-705 transparent silicone sealant along the cable channel. Flip the battery enclosure back over. Arrange the motor wires and light wire neatly, and clean off any excess sealant. Reinstall the battery hold-down bracket. Do not tighten the rear screws yet, adjust the motor wire length first to ensure both sides have equal and appropriate exposed length. Then tighten the screws. Reinstall the light wire clamp, then tighten the screws. Reinstall the left and right battery hold-down brackets and tighten all screws. Test whether the switch is functioning properly. The switch replacement is now complete.